Joe, you're right in the way. So here's the Vance Hines Eliminators with stock head pipes on the 2019 Softail Fat Boy. Simply a stage 1, no other upgrades. To get the baffles out, I'm going to pull out this screw and this screw on each one, and then they should slide out. Then just cut them in half and stick them back in. Well, this baffle has this mesh screen that's over the perforated metal of it. That's to prevent the insulation from just blowing out those holes. So if I cut it off here, the insulation in this area is gonna just go around and end up going straight out the pipe. So I think I'll pull the insulation out of the pipe too, so I can also cut that in half to match my baffle. Okay. That's pretty much glued in there. I don't think it's actually glued, but it has glued itself in there. So I guess I won't be doing that, and I will just let that extra insulation just blow out over time. So I've got it cut in half, and then there was some burrs sticking out on the outer edge, so I just filed those down so it'll slide in. This outer wrapping is folded over this direction, so as I put it in, I'll rotate it clockwise so that that lip there doesn't snag on the insulation. And now the insulation's all screwed up, so now I'm gonna have to pull it out of there. Okay, I finally got the insulation loose. It's got this plastic wrapping around it, which obviously had heated and kind of melted to the inside of the pipe. So I stuck the long screwdriver in there, kind of worked it around and stuff, trying to break the plastic all loose, and then grabbed the end with some larger pliers, twisted, worked it around, finally got it to pop out. So now I'll just take this and make a line across here and just cut that off with scissors. In order to get this rolled up nice and compact and tight, I'm on the edge of the desk here, so I can squish it down, try and keep it kind of taut as I roll it up, and then I'll wrap the tape around it. Hopefully that'll go in there now. Oh, yeah, slipped right in.